It's not going down here tonight.
We're good.
Oh.
We're all right. It's okay. Nick, there's no problem here.
Does his shirt say love you?
I just...
Love
It's him doing this that says love you,
Brooklyn.
OTC.
OTC. OTC.
Brooklyn, shut your mouth.
What?
Where's my tribal chief?
I just wanted to come out here and introduce ourselves to the #1 contenders. Well, I said, Brooklyn, shut your mouth.
Boo, more.
Before I get started,
You like the Bloodline?
No. You silly?
Am I silly?
Brooklyn, New York.
Acknowledge me.
Acknowledge me.
Anakin.
Ain't nobody acknowledging you.
You acknowledging Solo? Isaiah, you acknowledge Solo?
No.
Why not?
City, welcome to SmackDown. Meet the Bloodline.
Boo.
I am your tribal chief.
Detroit Wrestling. This is interesting.
Good to meet you, Mr. Tribal Chief, and since we're doing introductions, allow me to introduce us. I'm Chris Sabin, and this is Alex Shelley, the Motor City Machine Guns, now the #1 contenders for those WWE Tag Team Championships.
He said, it's nice to meet you, Mr. Tribal
And
Chief.
we're always ready, so whenever you're ready to hand those championships over, just
Oh.
let us know. Any place, any time. Any place,
Anytime. Oh, that's funny. Any place, anytime, huh? Well, since you two came to
Solo's
SmackDown,
getting funnier.
You want to make an impact for yourself.
Oh, I see what he did there.
How about a tag team title match right here, right now in Brooklyn?
They just fought a match.
These men have fought, they've sacrificed, they've given everything to this business for 20 years, and I will be damned if I'm going to stand by and let them get their earned, fair WWE Tag Team title shot when they're anything less than 100%.
No. Nick, stop. We've known you a long time. You know more than anyone else what we've put into this industry.
You're not going to get a fair shot,
Those
bro.
belts, those tag team titles,
They're not gonna
those
get
are
a
the
fair
most
shot,
important
Isaiah.
championships on this planet,
Motor
Tom.
City.
So if they want to do it right here, right now,
Oh my god, is Jay and Jimmy gonna come on
I hope so.
and help them?
then you got us. Let's do it. Give us our title shot right now.
Oh my gosh.
This is what you want. This is what you want. This is what you want.
Oh my god.
And give me a record
This is
here.
hype.
Let's do this.
It's not, it can't be very long, right?
Exactly as said, I hate everything about it. I understand it. I understand the heart and the passion of Sabin and Shelley. But this is career suicide.